Hi everyone, let's provide the solution to this problem here. C multiplied by C plus C is equal to 10. Okay, C times C times C will give C cube. Then we have C, this is equal to 10. Now C to the power of 3 plus C minus 10 is equal to what? 0. But then you look at what we have here and 10. 10 can be in this form. So we take a step further. 10 is going to be 8 plus 2. Then open the bracket. We have C to the power of 3 plus C minus 8 minus 2 equals 0. Because negative times 8 is negative 8. And negative times 2 is negative 2. Then take a step further. 8 is 2 to the power of 3, and then 2 is coming. This is equal to 0. Okay, so from here now, what should I do? Let's bring this and this together. So we have C to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so we have plus C, then this is minus 2. Everything is equal to 0. Now, here we have difference of two squares, difference of two cubes. Okay, so let's deal with this first. And if we have A cube minus B cube, this is an identity and it's equal to A minus B into A squared plus AB plus B squared. Right, so this is what it means, so that our A minus B now becomes C minus 2. Write C minus 2. Then here we have A squared, that's going to be C squared. Then plus AB, that will be C times 2, and it's 2C. Then plus B squared. Our B squared is going to be 2 squared, and that is 4. Then I will move over to that. Plus open bracket C minus 2, and everything here is equal to 0. Okay, and now we have this and this the same, so we are going to factorize. Okay, so we are going to factorize so that C minus 2 will come out as the common factor. Then here we have C squared plus 2C plus 4, right? Then we have plus this, let's close this, this divided by this is 1, then we equate to 0. C minus 2 is still coming down. Then we have C squared plus 2C plus 4 plus 1, that will give 5, so let's get 5 already. Then we equate to 0. Now this times this is giving 0, so it's either C minus 2 is 0 or C squared plus 2C plus 5 is 0. So picking this, our C is equal to 0 plus 2, and our C is equal to 2. This is the first solution. But then from here, we are going to get two more solutions, because we know that this right here is a quadratic equation. So let's pick it and then solve it. Okay, so this is the equation, and according to this equation, we have our ABC. Oh, let me change this value here. I will use y, so let's have y squared plus 2y plus 5 equals 0. And I will let you know why I'm using y for now, because the formula is y equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We have c here, so I don't want to use the equation that will have c, right? But this y is representing the c. So y now will be, okay, our a is 1, the coefficient of y squared, our b is 2, and c is 5. So in place of minus b, we write minus 2. Plus or minus square root of b squared, that will be 2 squared, minus 4 times 1 times 5. Because a is 1 and c is 5, divide by 2 times a, which is 1. Now our y is minus 2 plus or minus 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 1 times 5 is 20. Divide all of this by 2. So y now is going to be minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 20 is minus 16. Then we are dividing that by 2. Now what do? This is 16, negative 16. We can use our calculator to get the square root of negative 16. But we can manipulate to get square root of 16, then multiply by square root of negative 1. Okay, so if you multiply this by this, you're going to get negative 16. So it's okay. So here we now have 2. Take a step. Y is minus 2 plus or minus, we have the square root of 16, that is 4, then multiply by I divided by 2. Then our y is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4 times I, that's 4i. Okay, that's 4i. Then divide it by 2. To take a step further, we can have y to be 2 into minus 2 is minus 1, then plus or minus 2 into 4 is 2, then we have 2i. So this is a 2-in-1 solution because of this plus or minus. So we can say that y is equal to minus 1 plus 2i, or minus 1 minus 2i. So we have 3 solutions already. Let's bring them together. And remember that this y is representing c. So we got c to be equal to 2 before. And then now, let's call that c1. Then our c2 is minus 1 plus 2i from here. And then our c3, the third solution, is minus 1 minus 2i. So these 3 are the solutions to the given equation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and share to your friends.